Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add or remove a keyboard language. So showing you to manage input language. I am easily input language, find language. So at first open settings, scroll down, general management, click on language and types, and showing you to manage input language. I'm already select language, three language, like I'm remove this. Okay, I'm remove this, so disable to remove and add. And how can add language? So click on to select language, like I'm select, then successfully add language. So that's it, that's how we can do it.